towards the various kind of capacitors available and how to use them and how to read them, their values on these capacitances. Okay, as on the left hand side on top of that your screen, you have this 1 farad, 1F. Okay, 1F is also written as 1 into 10 raised to power 6 into mu. Mu is stands for 10 raised to power minus 6. Okay, that means is this 10 raised to power 6 is multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 6. That means minus 6 will cancel out with the plus 6 and it will remain 1 farad. Okay, 1 farad is equal to 1 coulomb of charge per unit volt. That is the value of farad, or that is the value of capacitance, which is known as 1 farad. Then this 1 farad can be written as 10 raised to power 9 into NF. N stands for 10 raised to power minus 9, which is known as nano, and 10 raised to power 9 is the value. That means 9 plus k or 9 minus k, जब भी multiply होंगे, it will remain 1 farad. And if we have to write 1 farad in terms of picofarad, then we can write it like 10 raised to power 12 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 12, and minus 12 is representing P by P. P means pico. Okay, and similarly if it is 1 microfarad, then you can write it like 10 raised to power minus 6 farad. If it is 1 microfarad, you can write it like 10 raised to power 3 and multiply by 10 raised to power minus 9. That means minus 9 and plus 3 on the power of 10 will give you 10 raised to power minus 6. And for this, in terms of picofarad, you can write it like 1 into 10 raised to power 6 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 12, and minus 12 plus 6 will give you 10 raised to power minus 6, which is treated as microfarad. Micro means 10 raised to power minus 6, nano means 10 raised to power minus 9, pico means 10 raised to power minus 12. Okay, and F is farad, known as by unit farad, mu is micron, n is nano, and p is pico, right? And you can have all these kind of values from this chart. Okay, now we will try to find different types of values or codes written on those. And ceramic or disc capacitor, somewhere in your electronic circuitry you will find these kind of circle kind of things, generally made by ceramic coating, right? Ceramic coating is there. On those capacitor, and in real shape and size we can have those, as you can see here. Yes, ये कुछ ऐसे ऑरेंज कलर के आपको कंपोनेंट दिखाई देंगे, एंड दीज आर अ सेरामिक कैपेसिटर. इस पे लिखा हुआ है 2.20 something is written on this. If there is some mark on these kind of capacitor, how to read it and how to find the value of that, we will take care of that. Okay, तो ceramic और disc capacitor, इसके अंदर सपोज ऐसा लिखा हुआ है 2m. If we take this first one, 2m 1 kV, right? तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि 2 is representing 22. These are 2 digits, and it is generally written in terms of picofarad. There is no need to mention P on writing the symbols over the ceramic capacitance or capacitor. Just they have marked 2 to M and 1 kV. That means 22 picofarad is there, and M is representing the tolerance power. Okay, तो इस tolerance power को हम कैसे करेंगे? On the screen, IEA capacitance tolerance code is given. These are the letters B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M and P, S, W, Z, X. Right? These are for the tolerance code, and IEA standards for temperature characteristic codes. We can write it like this. Z is meaning by decoded by minus 55 degree, Y is minus 35 degree, Z is plus 10 degree, and the maximum temperature 2347, and these again codes written for the tolerance or coefficient, temperature coefficient or temperature range. And if there are colors, we can have to decode from these things, these charts. Okay, for that you no need to mug up these kind of tables, but you have knowledge about what is M stands for, what is P stand for in tolerance capacitor. As you work on the capacitors, or you can work on the designing of the electronic circuit, you might find these charts helpful, and the companies itself provide all those kind of charts also if you are purchasing the capacitors in bulk for the industry purpose. Or you can go to the Google and you can find out the values. Okay, so for this example, 22 means 2 digits and P means picofarad, and M stands for 20% plus minus tolerance, and tolerance is written on these letters by representing by these letters, and the value is like this. If the value of capacitance is less than 10 picofarad, there is no meaning of this M. This is dash 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 dash. Okay, and if it is greater than 10 picofarad, that means for our example this is 22 picofarad, which is greater than this 10 picofarad, then we have to use or choose this M is equal to 20 plus minus 20 picofarad in tolerance, right? This 1 kV is meaning, that means we can apply or we can use this ceramic capacitor over the voltage of under the voltage, or we can say that in the range of the voltage of 1000 volts. If there are 1000 volt supplies from any part of a circuit to another part of circuit, and where we have to use some kind of a capacitance for coupling purpose, then we can use this capacitor, which is written as 22 picofarad. M stands for plus minus 20%, and 1 kV means K means 1000, V means 2, and 1000 volts के नीचे अगर हमें कहीं use करना है, we can use this ceramic capacitor. Okay, and another example we'll take from this chart. Let's take this one. 0.1 Z 100 volt. 0.1 stands for microfarad. Okay, 0.1 stands for microfarad. Just wait a minute. Where is it? From this part of this calculation, 0.1 microfarad, right? It is here, or you can write it like this: 100 nanofarad, or 10 into 10 into 10 to the power 4 picofarad. So for this example, 0.1 Z 100 volt, 0.1 is representing 1.1 microfarad, and Z is representing what? You come down here, Z is minus 20 plus 80% tolerance. Okay, it is going on. right. So from this you can try to find out that if there is a similar kind of ceramic capacitance, but there is a mark on the upper head's overside with a black color or a color code, then it is treated as marking used for temperature coefficient also. Okay, for example, this 121K is written. 1 is first digit, 2 is second digit, and then this 1 is a multiplier or decimal point. Okay, and similarly 4R 7D, and this R stands for point, as in resistance coding also. So 4 is first digit, R is used as point, and 7 is second digit, and this D this is D is used for temperature, and in this left hand side example K is used as a temperature coefficient. Then what is the value of this temperature? You can find it from this D and K. Okay, this K and D, right? Here we have plus minus 10%. Okay, and for this D we have plus 0.5 picofarad. For D it is less than 10 picofarad, the value is 4.7. Then that's why we use this D as 0.5 picofarad and K is plus 10% because it is greater than 10 picofarad. It is 120 picofarad, and here we have 4.7 picofarad plus minus 0.5 picofarad. Similarly, I will send you all these details or these pictures so that you can work on these things. Okay. Now we will take care about the ceramic European marking. Somewhere you also find this 47P. Okay, and varies. This P stands for picofarad. Somewhere you will find N stands for nanofarad. Farad, and this location of P and N signifies the dot or decimal point. If it is at the right most side or digit of the digit, then it is 47 picofarad, right, without any change in this. If there is 0.68, that means P 68, that means 0.68 picofarad. If it is 22P, that is 22 picofarad. If it is 1P0, that means 1 picofarad, 1.0 picofarad. If it is N, that means N, wherever there is N, P and F, जो भी है, जहां पे भी होगा, that is treated as decimal point is there. 0.1 nanofarad. Okay. If it is 4P7, that means 4.7 picofarad. If it is N27, that means 0.27 nanofarad. Right? This is European marking. Now we covered this ceramic kind of capacitor, how to read on those things. Now tantalum capacitors. Tantalum capacitors are color coded basically as the resistance. So labeling means what? This upper part is first digit or first significant figure in microfarad. Second color code is another different band which is used as significant figure in microfarad. Third color is used as the multiplier, and last at the bottom there is some different slightly color which is termed as voltage. Okay. Somewhere you have to see this marking this color 2216 and this dark color line is treated as positive terminal because these are polarized type of capacitor. If there is these kind of capacitor are unpolarized, both the legs of the capacitor generally will be equal in length. Okay, and if there is something positive more and negative in capacitance, or you can say that if there is a polarized capacitor, you might find that one lead of the capacitor is larger as compared to the another lead. The larger lead is treated as positive plate of the capacitor, or you might require to connect the plates marked as positive to the higher potential of your circuit and negative as the negative terminal or potential of your circuit, or generally connected to ground. ओके, अभी कभी ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपको ये दोनों लीड कट करके दिए जाए और दोनों लेवल लीड्स के जो लेंथ है वो बराबर हो जाए. देन हाउ टू फाइंड? बाय द मार्किंग ऑन दोस कैपेसिटर लीड. तो जहां ये डार्क कलर का सिंबल होगा और प्लस इज रिटन समवेयर, तो आपको समझना चाहिए कि दैट इज द पॉजिटिव लीड ऑफ द कैपेसिटर. Okay. Now, if it is a tantalum and there are color codes, then first significant color, if it is, for example, let's take a brown, red, and orange, right? That means first is brown, that means 1 significant figure. If it is then red, that means 2, that means 12, and if third one is in orange color, then you have to multiply by that 10 to the power 3. That means 12 microfarad into 10 to the power 3 microfarad. Okay. And last one is voltage. If the color is another orange is same of the same color. If we are taking about an example, then this orange is having nothing, no voltage, and if it is yellow in color, then we have to take care of this as a 6.3 volt. That means wherever we require or we want to use a capacitor in tantalum form and that color is lower portion color is yellow, that means that there should be at least 6.3 volt at max is flowing in the circuit. अगर इससे ज़्यादा voltage अगर flow करती है 10 volt, 15 volt, 25 volts, etc., then at that case you don't use this yellow color marked tantalum capacitor because its capacity to hold the voltage is 6.3 volts. As if there in circuit 25 volt is flowing or there is 10 volt, then it might rupture or burst the capacitor casing, or that means it may damage the extra voltage will damage the capacitor. So you might have these consequences or these conditions against voltage as well as in the capacitance value to be kept in mind while designing the circuits. Okay. तो अभी इसमें क्या लिखा है? सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ लेबलिंग कैसा होता है? ये तो कलर कोड से हो गया फर्स्ट टाइप का. दूसरा नंबर्स लिखे होते हैं इसमें tantalum में. तो 22 is generally directly in pico or microfarad. That means 22 microfarad is this, and 16 means 16 volt is this. That means up to 16 volt in the circuit, it is working as a capacitance without any damage to its structure. अगर ये है तो 16 वोल्ट के नीचे आप इसका यूज कर सकते हैं. So this 16 representing the voltage and 22 is representing the microfarad. Okay. Now somewhere in the circuits you will use this Meilleur polyester kind of capacitance. Right. So वहां पे आपको क्या दिखाई देगा? कुछ ऐसा लिखा होगा 104K 0.22J 221J dot or this mark. Okay. So what it means? 0.001K is meaning as 001 microfarad, and K from that tolerance part, you can have this K as plus minus 10% from tolerance code. Okay. If it is 0.22 J for this, then we have to read it like 0.22 microfarad, and J from that tolerance you can find out plus minus 5% as a tolerance, right? If we are taking about this 103F50, and then what we can take out from this code, it is the voltage rating. 50 is the voltage rating. 103F. 103F means what? 103. 103. How can we read it? 103F. We can use this form also. 104, for example. 104. Right? So first digit is first value, second one is second value, and this one is a number of zeros multiplier. Okay, and then how can we calculate this? This is 150 is the working voltage of the capacitor. K stands for the tolerance of that, which is K is 10 plus minus 10%. Then 1 and 0 are these two significant digits, and 4 is 10 to the power 4, and generally we take as picofarad. That means we can make it like 10 to the power minus 12, and we can write it like minus 7, 10 to the power minus 7, and we can write it like 0.1, 10 to the power minus 6 farad, or we can write it like 0.1 microfarad. Okay, and with the 10% plus minus tolerance power. Similarly, 103 is what? 103. If it is 104, 0.1 microfarad. If it is 103, that means 0.001 microfarad. And the tolerance F stands for tolerance. So for that F, we have to go to the chart, and this is here 1%. 1%. Okay, because it is greater than 10 picofarad. For this example, 103F is the capacitance, which is 0.01 microfarad. F is tolerance plus minus 10%, and 50 is the working voltage. That means 50 volt is working voltage, right? Clear? First and second digits multiplier in picofarad or microfarad if decimal before the digit. ठीक है, अगर ये F इसके digit से पहले होता तो we will treat as microfarad. If this F is after these three digits, multiplier digits के पहले बाद में है F, तो हम इसे treat करेंगे picofarad के range में. ठीक है, अगर ये ऐसा होता 10F3, then we will take it as 10, okay, and point into 10 is to power this 3, and F is farad. तो हम कौन सा लेंगे? माइक्रोफैरड F. ठीक है, अभी फिर हम मेटलाइज्ड पॉलिएस्टर फिल्म कैपेसिटर की बात करते हैं. समवेयर यू विल फाइंड दिस 2 micro 2. That means where this mu is pointed out, it is treated as decimal point, and we will take it as microfarad. If it is written by 2N2, then we will treat it as nanofarad. 2.2 nanofarad or 2.2 microfarad, as you can see on the screen. 2 mu 2 is 2.2 microfarad in actuals, and mu 2 is 0.22 microfarad. 6.8N is 68 nanofarad. 4N7 is 4.N means nanofarad, right? And now we will talk about the fixed type of resistor capacitors, and which are generally in the form of a resistance format, or physical structure is like resistance. So, but you can find out the difference is that this is very same cylinder as a resistance, but there is no tip or there is no curve in this, while in the resistance, let's have a look. In the resistance you find these bubblings and they tapered on the cylinder. Okay, so you might confuse that these are also a color coded ribbon structure, which is very similar to the resistance, but you can find out that if it is a capacitor, then the surface is very smooth without any tapered on that. Okay, if it is that is treated as capacitor, and again if it is in color bands, then we can find it like first digit, second band, first band is larger as compared to other, and it is treated as temperature coefficient of that capacitor. And then what temperature coefficient means कि इतने वैल्यू तक, इतने माइनस 55 डिग्री या प्लस 125 डिग्री सेल्सियस का अगर टेम्परेचर में ये डिवाइस या कैपेसिटर यूज हो रहा है, या वर्किंग टेम्परेचर इसका इतना बढ़ रहा है ड्यू टू द मूवमेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इनसाइड दैट, तब भी ये अपनी प्रॉपर्टी को रिलीव नहीं करेगा या अपनी प्रॉपर्टी को चेंज नहीं करेगा और वैल्यू को चेंज नहीं करेगा कैपेसिटेंस की. आफ्टर दैट वैल्यू और आफ्टर दैट टेम्परेचर वैल्यू if rises, then it might change its value of the capacitance. Okay, this temperature coefficient means that. Then first digit, second band is first digit, third band is second digit, and fourth band is multiplier, and last band is tolerance. As similarly, we can write it and decode those color and the numbers from this chart, and you can have your value of the capacitance. Okay,